I'm going to show everybody how to remove the shift knob off of a Jeep Wrangler. It's really easy. Lots of people think that you have to break it or pry it off with a screwdriver or something, but it's actually really easy. You just need a really good grip on it. Standard manual transmission, whatever you want to call it. You literally pull straight off. It is, like I say, it is very difficult. You need to be pretty strong to do it. Might need two hands. I'm gonna try with the right hand. Yeah. Oh, it is very hard. I said easy, as in easy to do. You just need to be strong, and apparently I'm not strong right now. I'm gonna use both hands here. There. It's pretty dark in here. I should have probably grabbed a light for myself, but there's your shift knob off. People claim that you break it when you pull it off, but yeah, it definitely does not break. And to put it back on, make sure it's right side up. Slide it onto the hole, line it up a little bit, you'll feel it. It's got a flat side on the bottom. It's really quite self-explanatory. Little push, you'll hear a click, click. Back on. All done.